Okay, find the number of bacteria in colony A after T hours is multiplied by this. Find the initial. So whenever you see the word initial, it means that T is 0. And so we've got 12 multiplied by E to the 0.4 multiplied by 0. So that's, oh, maybe I should do it in A. 12 E to the 0.4 multiplied by 0. So that's 12 multiplied by E to the 0. That's 1. So that is 12. Find the number of bacteria in colony A after 4 hours. So that's when T is 4. Why am I writing here? Just chuck it in the calc. 2. 12 multiplied by E to the power 0.4 multiplied by 4 is, let's snip this. So way forward, I don't have to write it then. Oops. Okay, so obviously rounding that to 3 sig fig would be 59.4. But 59.4, what situation is this? We've got bacteria. Alright, but you obviously can't have 0.4, but what's it? Bacteria, so that would be 59. You would round down no matter what thing is there, because we haven't got the 60th one. Let's see, how long does it take for the number of bacteria to reach 400? So C would be 400 is equal to 12 divided by E to the 0.4 T. So 400 divided by 12. Because our power is in our unknown, we take logs of both sides. Because it's base E, we would take natural logs. So we're going to have ln equals ln E to the 0.4 T. This is obviously 1, so that's gone. So ln divided by 0.4 give us the value of T. Then ln 400 over, oops, too far. Oh. Aha! Over 12. Ah, cheapest creepers. $412. 0.4. How long? So this is 8 hours. So 8.77 hours. Okay. C. Number of bacteria. After 4 hours, there was 60 bacteria. Find K. Lost it already. Four hours of 60 bacteria. So there was 60 bacteria, 24e to the 4k. So we should get rid of the 24 first. And take logs again. Do you know what? I'm going to do that straight away. E. So, ln 60 over 24. So 3 to 3 will be 0.229. The number of bacteria first exceeds the number of bacteria after n. So A exceeds B. So I might just put them equal to each other. So 12e to the 4t is, so we find when they're equal, then we see where it's just got above. 24e to kt. Oh, and okay. Damn it. Oh, I didn't. Darn it. Oh, we've said n hours. Oh, I've left it t. Doesn't really matter. Okay. So we need to solve this. The easiest way, I think. See, it's cat paper. I'd probably plot both of them. So, look at that bad boy. So 12 e 4t 24 e to the 0.229. Let's do standard. So that's graph A. That's graph B. Right, so I'm going to change my window because can't see anything for a start. Also, we don't need to go into the negatives of x. So I'm gonna go. Let's see how that goes. That's A. B. Still need to change it. Oh, actually, very easy to look at the table. Looking at this, let's go to the table. So looking at the table here, you can see that A is less than B, A is less than B, less, and here it's become more. So you can see in our table here at 5, it's become more. So that would be that n is 5. How would you show that? The calculator. I mean, I think writing this should be enough, and then just say, would it be? Maybe show a graph. Difficult, because that's our answer. Looking at the marks key. Oh, I think you could just write that. You can just give the values. So say when n is 4, A is this, B is this. When n is 5, A is this, B is this. That would be enough. Okay. Next question. So I've got quadrilateral. Find AC. Okay, so if we're finding this length here, we have 2 angles. Our question now involves 2 sides. That would be the sine rule. What does that do with the formula? Okay. Okay, so because we've got 2 angles, 2 sides, as I said, it's a sine rule. So it's length over sine of the angle equals length over sine of the other angle. Now remember that these have to be opposite each other, which we've got the correct values, so we don't need to worry here. So it's x over sine. X over sine 44 is equal to 15 over sine 83. Okay. Oh, we're in degrees. Let me just check the mode actually. In radians. Enter. 15 over sine 83 multiplied by sine 44. There we go. So 3 sig fig, 1, 2, 3, 10.5. Find the area of ABC. Okay, so this is 10.5. ABC. So to find the area, it's a half AB sine C. So this, remember that A, B, and C, A and B surround C, so you need to find an angle and the two lengths surrounding it. So we know this length, which is great, this angle, but we don't know this length. We know this angle, this length, not this one. So we know these two lengths, so this is the angle we need to use for the area rule. We know this one and this one, so we can work out this one in order to use it. So that's going to be 180 subtract 83 and 44. So that's 53. So now we've got two side lengths and the angle surrounding it, so it's going to be half 15 times 10.5 times sine 53. There we go. 62.9. Okay, so the area of ACD is half the area of ABC. So, right up here. So the area of this triangle would be a half multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10.5 multiplied by sine theta, and that's equal to half of this area, which was 62.9. Okay, well, I shouldn't have done that. Oops. Okay, pretend the equal signs here. Right, so we can get rid of my halves. So 6 times 10.5. Oh God, it's too late. 63. Good Lord. So 63 sine theta equals 62.9. So sine theta is 62.9 over 63. So we get this. Okay, and that means we're going to inverse sine that. Which gets 86.8. And then you're going to do 180 minus that. So remember, whenever there's two options, it's going to be 180 subtract that. Which is 93.2. Now, answers have slightly different, because they kept this value as a whole number. I can't actually tell you how they would work with that. You may lose one mark. I don't see anything wrong with using the random value. But I guess officially we shouldn't. Okay. Last one. Is it the last one? Just finish this question. Oh, no. Given that theta is obtuse, find C. So if it's an obtuse value, it's between 90 and 180. So we've got this value. And find what C? CD. CD. So because we know this angle, we know this length, we're trying to find this length. So we're using the cosine rule here. So we've got, what length is it? CD squared is 10.5 squared plus 6 minus 2 times 10.5 times 6 times cos 93.2. Chuck that in the square root here. So we get 12.4. And that's centimetres squared. There we are. No, it's not length. Shut up. No, it's a length. Oh, yeah, centimetres. Right, last question. Let's get it done. The city can send. So, the number of taxis in the city at the end of 2005. So, that means that n is 5. So, you can stick 5 into here. So, there we go. So the number of taxis, you're going to have 493, because obviously you can't have point anything in a taxi. Find the year in which the taxis double the number of taxis. So if there were 280 in year 2000, we're going to find when there are 560. So 560 is 280 times 1.12 to the n. So to solve, pardon me, to solve this, you're going to take logs of both sides. So it could be ln or log. Oops. 1.12. So n is log 2 over log 1.12. So it will happen during the year, in 6 years, 6 and a bit years time. So in the year 2006. Oh no, apologies, past that. So it's in the year 2007. Taxis. There, found the value of P at the end of 2005. So, N is 5. Oh, sticking 5 into there. That's annoying. It's a complicated thing. Oh. 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 10 plus 90 e to the negative 1 times 5. So so to the nearest, what is P? Number of people who use taxis. So, So you'd round that up. Personally, I would probably have rounded that down. Answer's got it rounded up. Interesting. 39636. Because these people haven't quite got there. But anyway. After 7 years, will the value be double? So you need to stick 7 into here. Copies it. 7. Okay. One number. So 46,800. How many was in there? 2, 5, 6. So let's divide up by 2. 2, 3, 4. No, so that's not double. So you just say it's not double. There you go. I think that's it, is it? Okay.